This we have this alhamdulillah. Yes, I will climb here. Okay, and this all I will dump this there to the flooring, for the flooring. Alhamdulillah. Yes, so we can save this this is our bedroom 1, living room, living area, and the bedroom 2. This is the wudu and the kitchen there. Mashallah.